Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, keep on watching. All right, you guys. So today it is a Simply Posh Cosmetics Gingerbread Bakery palette. This isn't a new palette, but it's new to me. So I picked it up a couple months ago. It was on sale for, I think like 28 bucks, which is a steal. And how freaking beautiful is that? That is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. For time's sake, because I just could not get it together this morning and I am just running so late. Indy has a doctor's appointment. I am going to see my mom for the first time in like a month and a half. So yes, I have to drive like an hour out there to see her. Gas is really expensive, but whatever. You gotta do what you gotta do. So, anyway, how are you guys doing? Let's start with this shade. Oh, those shimmers I cannot wait to dig into those shimmers. Let's start with the shade. What Cinnamon is just calling me. If you hear that, that's Indy squeaking her toy. Of course. Sound effects today brought to you by Indy. All right. And of course, I'm going to overshoot my eye because why wouldn't I? You guys, like what's new? There's literally nothing new with me. My life is I go to work, I come home, I go to sleep, I go to work, come home. On Fridays, I get groceries. Other than that, that's what I do with my life. I work. Let's see. So I know last week when I filmed my video, which go watch it, it's a doozy if you want to know about the washing machine fiasco. And there were some great sound effects in that video as well, but they were brought to you by the washing machine. Now let's go in with the shade Brown Sugar right here. What was I even saying? Oh, I was talking about well, they did us dirty. We did not get a new episode last week. So that means we have to wait 2 weeks because the episode that's going to go live tomorrow, my husband and I only see each other Friday nights and Saturdays. So we have to wait like a whole week. So it's like 2 weeks without an episode. Like, I'm really, really bummed. And I think we're almost to the end of this season. And next season is the last season, from what I believe I heard. So, yeah. I love that show so much. I'm going to be so sad when it's finally over. And also, but Skinwalker Ranch came back and they're saving us. So, also a big fan of The Secret of Skinwalker Ranch. If you're into, like, the paranormal stuff and aliens and UAPs and all that, go watch The Secret of Skinwalker Ranch. Alright, so I successfully overshot both eyes. That's going to be fun because I don't really have a sponge down here to like really fix it. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You're just going to have messed up eyes for a second. That's okay. Okay, so those shades blended beautifully. I am a big Simply Posh Cosmetics fan. Highly, highly recommend them. Okay, now I need something for the lower lash line. Let's go with the shade Nutmeg, and we're just kind of gonna gently blend that on the lower lash line, and then we're gonna get into some shimmers, and I'm really, really excited about that because these shimmers are so pretty. I just looked up and for some reason, like everything like looks extra bright and I don't know why. Now I did move one of my ring lights over, so maybe that's it. Hopefully it looks better. But yeah, just look extra bright. Like I know I'm pale, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I look extra pale, like extra glow in the dark. I don't know. All right, so we're just putting some glitter glue on the lids. Which actually, I do have to say, like, just with what we have going on, like, is a really pretty, like, look. Just, like, even put, like, a matte shadow right there. Which we're not going to do because I'm that shimmer girl. But, like, this would be really, like, just something simple and cute for, like, a work day. You know, if you're like me and you work in an office and you try to tone things down during the week. Okay. Now, dang. These shimmers are just all so beautiful. I don't know. They're so pretty. Like, I don't know. I don't know. They're all pretty. That's what makes it so hard. Okay, I'm feeling sprinkles. Let's go in with sprinkles first. And then, you know, we usually add some more from there. Oh, sprinkles. You are so beautiful. Sprinkles. Love that. Love that. Oh shoot, I just totally went in. I was dipping in the wrong shade. I see sparklies and like I just can't contain myself. If you can't tell, Indy loves her squeaky toys. Alright, so I am just like really wanting to put this gold shimmer spice just in the center of the eye. Just because I just think that would look so cool with that pink shimmer. I just love like a good pinkish, purplish, gold moment. So pretty. I do love that so much. All right. So now we need to go in with a lower inner corner highlight like we always do. That's one of my things. And I think we're gonna go into the shade Gumdrops right here for that lower inner corner highlight. I feel like Indy needs like a credit at the end of this video for those lovely sound effects you guys have been hearing. She's working really, really hard. All right. Gotta go throw on some eyeliner, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. If you know, you know. Okay, so let's do a little final look. Beautiful, fun, colorful. I love it. It is the Simply Posh Cosmetics Gingerbread Bakery Palette. This is so cute. If they still have this in stock, highly, highly recommend it, you guys. Like I said, when I picked it up, it was on sale for $28, so it might be out of stock right now, but it's beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I gotta get going. Said there's a lot going on today. I totally got a little wild with the mascara every time. I'm a mess. Anyway, you guys, do me a favor, comment anything down below. It literally helps me. I'm such a small channel. My videos are not getting pushed out. So anything, any comment, anything very helpful. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.